Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel again. Thanks for watching. And today, as you can see, I have HRU 216 Honda self-propelled mower. It is due for a service, and I'm going to show you how to do carb service. This is what the carburetor is. In order to take that, we need to take the filter housing. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolt. Let me start it. From the crankcase, that's very dirty. We're gonna get that cleaned. After taking the filter housing, we've got the fuel hose. I have taken that out, and it's the draining oil as well, which means the cap venting is still working, so which is very good thing. Leave it run a little bit. Now we're gonna take 2 bolts out of here, so we can easily take the linkage off. Let me do that. Pull the carburetor a little bit on this side, and you can take the rod and the spring, and it comes out and comes out, and that's the carburetor. We're gonna clean it, and I have given a little bit of spray hose off for the dirt and oil. And let me open that up. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off, clean all the parts inside if it's clogged or not, and that should be good enough for us. That's okay. This looks okay. Not very clean, not very dirty. Put it on the side. Be careful with the floating needle. Give it a good spray. As you can see, there is a tube here and the jet. That's the emulsion tube. That's where the fuel goes in. And let me take it out. Okay, if it doesn't come out, you can see you can push it from the top. Yep. Give it a spray. Let's see if it works. A little blocked. So seems good now. And that's where the problem is. Now it's good. As you can see, fuel passing through. And comes to this now. This is fuel inlet. Let me spray from here. Coming out, very good. Coming out very good. Coming out both way. Absolutely. Give it a hug. Looks clean. So it's time to put back everything. I got the rod here. Put it back. That's good. Fuel hose in. That's good. That's in. That's in. Put it back. And this goes this way. It's got a hole in here. Got a hole in here. That's the way. Next one. Now it's time to put a filter housing in. Get that in. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope it is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it.